Hello, we've talked about describing patterns before, and hopefully when I say, how do you sign a pattern, the first thought that comes to your head is, it depends, because it does. So, quick review, and yes, this is going to look familiar. Polka dots. So if you have little polka dots, it might look like this, right? Or if it's on a dress. If you have big polka dots, it might look like that. Remember those mouth morphemes we just talked about? Great big polka dots. Now, and again, those polka dots, when we learn these signs, we learn these in context of clothing. So that's why I put them here. But if you were talking about something on the wall that's polka dotted, then it would go there instead of here because I'm not the one wearing the polka dots. Stripes. So stripes would go down this way. Those are narrow stripes close together. So, but if you're wearing prison stripes, it might go that way. Again, though, if you had stripes on, let's see, what's striped? I don't know. You had a stripe that went down the side of a truck. So you have a car, the car is here and then it has a stripe down the side of it, right? That might be a whole different context because now, again, it's not on me, it's on the side of the car. Plaid or a small plaid. Flowers. And then what do the flowers look like? Okay, so on the first dress, you got a dress, it has flowers, they're big and they're all spread out. And the second dress, you have a dress, it has flowers and they're smaller, so a smaller hand shape, and they're all over here. In this dress, you have flowers and they're in rows across the dress. So how do you sign flowers? It depends on what the flowers look like. Graphics, right? So where is the graphic? What does it look like? Where is it on the shirt? Words, Hollister goes up across this way, or the word Texas across the front. Now we're going to practice a little with specific things. So like we talked about with clothing, it depends, yes, and that's why I'm giving you specific pictures to practice with. So if we wanted to talk about this couch, first we have to say it's a couch, okay? And then if I wanted to talk about the cushions, they're plaid, right? That's a great big plaid, so I might, and then wicker is all along the back. So I'd kind of wiggle that because that's what the wicker looks like. These eggs are speckled. So I would sign eggs, and then I'd show you the egg, and then I'd show you the little dots on them. So it's not my shirt that's speckled, right? It's the egg that I classified. I have to do the egg first and then show it to you, and then I can put the speckles on it. What if you had a dunce cap? We were talking about polka dots a minute ago. So it's a hat, has big circles on it. Okay, that was to embarrass you if you were bad in school, by the way. This really horrible light, lampshade. So it's a light. You have to do that part first, and then you'd show the shape of it. Flowers, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha, right? And then it's got a ruffle around the bottom. You're just going to show me what that looks like. So you might be thinking to yourself, I don't know the sign for fringe. I don't even know what that's called in English. Fringe is the word. But you don't have to know what it's called. You can just show what it looks like, the way it hangs down from there. This box, right? So I'm going to set up the box first. It's a gift. Well, I'd probably do that first, gift. And then there's a box. And then this part has stripes. And the lid is brown. I think it's brown. There was a lot of discussion in class. I think it's brown. And then it's got a ribbon and a bow that's pink. Okay? I start with the gift and the box and I give it context. So it's almost like you're drawing a sketch. It's almost like you're a sketch artist, right? You got to think, what do you start with? Well, start with the general information and then go to the details. General to specific. It's a box. It's this big. It's got stripes on the side. The lid is brown. Then it's got this bow that's pink. Think about this plate. So it's a plate, right? It's white, and then it's got a band there and two bands there that are black. This cup, and then it's got a spiral that goes around the edge, or around front, starting from the bottom. Or if you're talking about a candy cane, think about this vase. Take a minute, sign it to yourself. Okay, my turn. All right, I can show you this list of vocabulary, but remember the answer is, it depends. We just needed to take a minute to review patterns. I hope that helped you to kind of get a context of how to do this, because really it's up to you to figure out how to show what you're seeing or what you have seen in the past. So take that with you as we head into the future, and happy signing.